Hey guys, welcome again to Tika's Kitchen. First, I'd like to say thank you guys for subscribing and joining me in my kitchen. Today, I have a simple recipe vegetable pancake. Not sure how many of you try vegetable pancakes, but it's quick, it's simple, it's an easy go to, especially when you have guests. It's easy to just put everything together, mix it up, and make some pancake. I'm sure your guests, your family, everyone will enjoy it. So let me walk you through the steps and to make this healthy, delicious pancake. Now, depends on the vegetables that you like. I'm using green peppers, cabbage, celeries, onions. Um, if you like carrots, you add your carrots, mushroom, whatever you like. You just add it in there and you make your pancake. you go. A beautiful, nice sandwich, breakfast sandwich. Okay, let me try this. Delicious, and it's packed with veggie into your pancake. Can't go wrong, right? All right, I hope you guys try this and I hope you enjoy it as well.